once in Aruba. It was awesome. It's very relaxing. People think it's kind of scary, but it's not.
I'm excited, ready to go up.
I'm very excited. It's a beautiful day.
What's not to love? Look at it, beautiful out here. Fun people like Valerie every day. Every day is different. Good chance you're gonna see some pretty cool stuff while you're up there. Dolphins, stingrays, sea turtles, sharks. Or just sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Don't be afraid to lean back in your harnesses. You can't fall out of them. Have a good time, guys. All right, just bend your legs, relax, give me a big wave. You're parasailing, all right. That's all there is to it.
Better than I expected, way more peaceful and quiet, and we got to see a shark, which was awesome. I didn't expect that.
It was awesome. That was fantastic. I would definitely do it again.
Bill Hansen here with Bonita Jet Ski and Parasail. We do some of the finest parasailing in all of Southwest Florida, so come on out and see us at Bonita Beach, right there at Doc's Beach House.